This is just a quick overview of the process. You can create a hyperlink that will take you straight to BIM 360. You need to have an Autodesk account and password, and that will give you access to the site. You can then navigate to what would be your company hub. In this case, what I'm doing is going to my Microdesk test hub. And then when you're there, you can search by typing in the name of the project and find the project and see what project members are working on that particular project. And you'll see later how we can add members to this group. But basically the options that they have to have are the design, coordination, and the document management. There are other modules that you can use with this for doing all kinds of things, but if I click on the project admin, you can see that up here I can look at profile for the project and create a profile for the project by entering the data that I want, and that would include things like the project name, maybe an image. I can then have people that are assigned different privileges that let them edit or create projects. So basically the admin can create the project for you, but then somebody designated as so the admin can create the hub for you, or your account admin can create the hub, and then your project admins are really people that can do things like edit and change the documents. And then if you want, you can assign maybe just to one person in your team. The person has the right to actually publish the documents, to save versions of the documents. But you can create folders to save like your drawing links, your linked other disciplines like interior and landscape, and you'll be able to save your Revit files in there. There's another way of doing that, which is where you can actually have folders on your desktop and you can be putting them in there, and it's synced like kind of like Dropbox, where it will update the files on the cloud when they're changed in those local files. But right now what I'm showing is just that you have a way to manage the project and manage the folders and manage who's in your project. So if we flip on Project Home, this is like a dashboard that shows you the location of your project from an address that you would enter. You'll see how to do that later on. And you're getting the weather during that day, and you notice the design issues and project issues. These are things that can be created.